I'm Carl Barkemeyer. I defend clients charged with illegal use of weapons in Monroe, Louisiana. If you or someone you know has been arrested for an illegal use of weapons charge, I may be able to help. For over 14 years, I have defended hundreds of clients with illegal use of weapons charges in Louisiana. Please see my website for more information on illegal use of weapons charges. I have a lot of information regarding the penalties and defenses to these types of charges. The criminal laws in Louisiana get harsher every year. These charges require serious care and skill, of which I provide to my clients. So if you or someone you know has been arrested for illegal use of weapons, give me a call. I'd be happy to help.